Alicia here for another one of our FAQ videos. So what do you want to know? Hello, today we're going to answer the frequently asked question, how do you use our Saver bucket lids? We often get inquiries from our customers wondering if our Saver lid is just an economical option for a reusable lid. The answer is no. These lids are ideal for work-in-progress applications such as food preparation and temporary storage, or for use with other substances best kept out of contact with the environment, including paints, coatings, wall compounds, adhesives, and inks. The Saver lid is made of LDPE and is only 20 ml thick. While it does provide snap-on protection, it is a very loose snap-on and off lid. No tools are required to use these lids, simply place them on and off any 5-gallon bucket. They can be reused, however you should not stack the buckets with these lids in place. You can find the Saver lid at usplastic.com. Thanks for watching another one of our videos, and remember, if you have a question you need answered, or maybe you have an idea for our next video, send us an email at techvids@usplastic.com or give us a call at 1-800-537-9724. We'll see you next time.